Hello everybody, this is Sonya. Okay, now, so today I'm here because I wanted to do a bit of work. I'm just trying to get myself under the table because I have a new camera angle, as you will notice, and seemed a bit snuffly. I'm sorry for... Anyway, I was alright before. Now, my husband built me this stand to put my camera on. I'll show it to you at another time because I've just got myself sorted to do this today. Only thing I have to work out now is my lighting, which I hope's okay because I've got one here hanging next to me, one over that side. Okay, I'm a bit puffed because I think I might have, you know, it's anyway, so just old and stuff like that. I hope that this is going to be good because now we're going to be able to watch me do things up the right way. And I'm going to be able to show you how to crochet and stuff like that, okay? Now, I'm making this for, sorry, June Angel Pews, right? Now, this is her, going to be her roll. They call it a snippet roll. So I've started and I thought, no, well, I should be showing you what I'm doing. So I've been making the bits and pieces to go on it. And this morning I just added this piece so far. I'm going to actually do a bit on the end in a minute, but I've got a piece of lace, and I just like for her to use if she wants to. So I've just rolled it like this, okay. And then I got the... I don't know if I told you this. I'm Sonya and welcome to my channel because I was just into a bit of a flap trying to get myself sorted here. And I don't think that's small enough for the width of this lace to make something that looks like a bow, how I did that. So you probably need to wrap that only around probably 2 fingers. Let me see if we can do it this way. This might look better size. So if you want to put a bit of lace on like this, and then you'll get a needle. A bit of cotton, and I've decided to always use the bead needle because if I want to put beads on, well, it's a lot easier because you've got that there. Now all I did was just wrap that round, so if she wants to take it off and use it, well, she can. And then I just tied a knot in the bottom here, and all you have to do is just cut it anyway to use it if you want to do that. And so that made a little roll of lace. So if you want to send a little bit of lace on it, on the thing, on the snippet roll. Now you got glue on me, so it's just doing a bit of thing earlier. And then I put that on this piece of applique. But then I also added that little flower, and I don't know what little flowers I've got here for this. But you want something that's a bit smaller probably, Sonya, than that, so I probably will, don't know if I will put this one on, we might do yet, we don't know, okay? So I've just stitched this one on. I stitched all this lace here on the back, on the front I mean, just higgledy-piggledy, because now when I'm going over the top of it with my things that I'm sewing on with the needle and cotton, well, that's going to make it easy for her to get off. See, they're just the big stitches on the back. It'll stay on there though if she wants to keep it on there, so, but it'll come off easy. Okay, so then I made one of these flowers that I really enjoyed making this because this is made out of little beads, little tiny pony beads they're called, and I've just they're made with a smaller one than that, and there's silk ribbon wrapped around. This one here I've actually done a little colour on to colour that in. That's how that one was done. But this is this silk ribbon, and then I've put little tiny beads in there, and I've made a flower for her. And I'm going to use a bit of this stuff that I love. It's good. It just does lots of weird things. So I'll just put a bit of that, you know, so if she does any thing, you know, that she'd like to put that on. So I'm just going to set this down here a bit. Okay, so I shouldn't be taking too long to do the stitching, so we'll just put a few stitches in that. I'm doing them apart because later on I plan to come back and put something different in between. So I'm just going to come up through the back and make a bit of a stitch there. This one over here. I go there. just to stitch it onto, and then she can just take it off to use it if she wants to later on. Okay. Ow! I found the I found my finger. Oh dear. Just gonna have to check that in a second and make sure I've got nothing in the things. So that's that one. And I'm just going to put a little stitch on the back and then it'll hold it on there and then cut it off. You don't have to do a lot of stitching down because it will stay. No, I don't have any. Oh, hang on. Oh, that's not good. Oh dear. Sorry about this, people. I'll just have a mouthful of water. My fingers got stuck and now, isn't it amazing, you know, because then they go to take me blood, they can't get nothing out of me. I've got to have a blood test, but when I stab myself, because I do not want to get anything on this. Okay, so now I've also made a few of these buttons as well, which I really had fun. Yeah, I had fun doing this. I did that one. I did this one here and I put lots of beads all over him and he was absolutely good times. That one, I love making that. Let me see what else. Is that all I've done? Oh dear. Oh, here you go. No, there's another one. That's one that I made on camera. I've sort of tried to get them all in the sort of same colour wise so I can just put them about in here and hopefully she'll like them. I did not make that, but I was fortunate enough to find that, so I'm going to put some doilies underneath that. It's a doily under there, and maybe I could sit that. No, that'll cover it over too much. Let's put a piece of lace under it instead, eh? I'll get a nice piece of lace here that I can put on there, so she can take these off if she wants to use them. And put that under there. So I'll put a lot in under it. It's a bit bigger than a snippet, I suppose. Probably too much. I don't know if I'm putting too much on or not. I need to put a bit of bling on here, of course. Where's the bling box? Up there the bling box is. But we'll get that down in a minute. Let me see now. If I'm sort of sitting them around here, like I am, to what I would like them to be to start with, then later on you can sort of come along and just stitch them on. But if I just show you anyway what I plan to do, and that's I don't know if we're still in the shot here because of my camera. Isn't it cool though? It sits there and I can do the things up the right way. Now I've got some little pins, so I want to pin this one on. I'll pin this one because I think he looked nice pinned on, this little twinchy that I made. Put him on an angle. I hope that what I'm putting on here is nice, June, for you to use. Sorry. Actually, I want to put this piece on too, so maybe I'll take that bit of lace out for a minute. Put all that. No, I need colour in that. I'm a thing about putting some bit of colour on things. Yeah, this is cool. This is cool. This has got a bit of colour on it. Look at that. That'll look good, won't it? And then I've got this dangly bit. I'll put that on there too somewhere. I'm going to have to come back and show you what I've done when there's a butterfly. He's got greens and blues in him. Maybe I can find another colour butterfly. I think if I reach up over my camera here, over the stand. Oh, I bought these the other day. Look at these. Aren't these cool? Actually, that one looks a bit grotty. It's probably glue. Did it fall apart? Oh no, that's another bead stuck to it. They're old earrings. I bought at Vinnie's. I'll show you what I got there at Vinnie's the other day in a minute. Another video actually. Vinnie's is our woody shop. I might have to give them a little bit of a clean up. I'll take this one off here though. This one doesn't look too bad, and I'm going to put it on there too for her. I will. Look at that. That comes off real easy. It breaks. Okay. I do have a what's name here I can clean up with. Just give me a second, please. Sorry, I'm just, you know, check out what what you can see there. I'll just give this a clean over. I might have to get the pliers and just take the back off this. I try not to buy too much now from the what's name storage, because I do have a lot of things that I need to get onto and use them. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? Well, see, I'm going to be adding some things like that to it. What the heck is on here? I should put it in a tub of water, hey. Maybe I think it's glue stuck to it when they put the had to put the glue the thing back in there. Okay, the little stone. That looks awesome, so we'll put him on. We'll definitely need a bit of bling on here. What else we got? Let me see. This is nice. Nah, it's good. Look, it's got a scratch on it. Oh dear. Been out in the hot, had to go out in the hot, seen all the Elvises, because we have the Elvis Festival here this week, and it's over today. The last day is of the Elvis Festival will be today. I don't know what sort of things I want to put on here now. I lost the idea. It'll all come to me though. What I want to make for her. It's all going to be here, but these I just wanted to show you the things that I wanted to put on. So that there piece, I think I could put it in the middle of something, just to make it sort of more decorative. Don't know what to do with it yet, but I will get to that. And I just wanted to show you, and I also made this. I made a little dangle. I'm going to put it on here somewhere, so I'm hoping that you can see what I've got here that I've put on so far for June. Sorry, June. I'm very sorry. I keep making a mistake in your name. That's very rude of me. I apologise. This is how this roll will be. Pretty much close to how this roll will be. Okay, when I finished it. I can, and then I'll do the ends, and I'll roll it up and put on something to send to her. But I made this little reel out of one of my tiny little tassel out of one of my tiny cotton reels under here, and I really like it, you know, because I bought them tiny weeny little cotton reels. Somebody told me I could make a snippet roll out of that, but I think it might be a little bit small. But this went together really cool, you know. I thought it was. So I may do a tutorial if anybody wants me to show you how I did that. It wasn't that hard, so I could show you how I did it. Oh, I might put some words on too, you know. Put some words on here. Now these, I get a lot of these off the side of the fabric. You know, they're all on the side of the fabric when you buy the cotton fabric, and you just these are going to look cool on here, aren't they? Going to make this look. I love this idea. Yes, picture patches. Oh, that's nice. Yes, picture patches. I might take that one off because they're not really an all collection. The word collection will look good on there. Okay, so I'm hoping that you can see what I've got here, and I'll just run it under the camera where I know the camera is in a minute when I find another word. Let me find another word. Creative, maybe not. It's not in the same hummingbird, the word humming. Another collection, patches, screen prints, VIP. Yes, we'll send that too. How's about that? Look, this is my thingy. There you go. Look, how's that? That is going to be awesome. I think I'll really like it, and I hope June likes it too. June. So there you are. That's for June Craft. June, who is June Angel Pews, and that's her YouTube channel. And I'll go now, and I'll come back and I'll show you what I've been collecting up. Collecting what I've bought so far. Well, I bought this year. I don't know if I bought a lot this year at all. So, but anyway, I'll talk to you later. So thank you everybody for watching, and I hope this worked okay, that you can see everything up the right way. Won't that be good? I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.